guys, today I'm showing you guys my slime collection. So first we have this one, and it's called Mocha Brown because it looks like coffee and it's like mocha. It's a really nice texture. So yeah. This one's a little bit more sticky. This one right here is called Bubble Tea because it looks like bubble tea. And it has little gold beads in it. And it's a nice little purple, baby purple color. So yeah. Next I have this one. This one is called Hubba Bubble Bubblegum. The name's a little bit tricky, but it kind of looks like the gum. And it's pretty shiny. So yeah. Next we have this one. And this one is called Pineapple Honey because it looks like that would be the name of it. It's yellow and it looks like a pineapple color and honey color. So this one's really sticky, but it's a pretty color, so I'm gonna keep it. Next is this one. This one's a little bit sticky and hard to get out, but got it. This one is called Deep Sea because this is the color of a deep sea. And yeah, beads go flying everywhere sometimes because there's too many beads in it, but yeah.
Looks like an octopus tentacle, or hey?
Yeah. Okay. Next we have this one. And this one is called Mint Chocolate because there's little black and / brown speckles in it if you look really close. So yeah, I call it Mint Chocolate because it looks like the mint chocolate ice cream.
I don't see any speckles. Ah.
See them?
Yeah. It's like bubble gum.
Yeah. Next, we have this one, and this one's called Snowflake because it kind of looks like a snowflake because of the beads and how white it is. So it's really pretty. I wasn't gonna put anything in this originally, but I put the beads in it, and I think it looks really pretty. So that one's really nice. Next we have this one. This one's called Ice Cube because it kind of looks like one when it melts down a little bit into the container, and because of the bubbly kind of color. But yeah, it's really pretty. This one right here is a really vibrant green color. I call this one Monster Energy because it kind of looks like the Monster Energy symbol thing, logo. So yeah, this is the Monster Energy slime. Next we have this one. I don't have a name for this one because it's really new, but yeah. It has gold little speckles in it. And my dad made this one, so I don't have a name for it yet. Next, we have, can't get it out. The rest of these ones that I'm going to show you don't have names. I don't know why. Well, the last one does that I'm going to show you, but this one doesn't have a name yet because I made this one yesterday. But yeah, it's still a really good slime. It's really stretchy. So yeah. The last one here is this really jiggly slime. This one is called Rose Gold because it looks rose gold, like a phone. The comparison is a little bit more lighter color, but we have this one to the phone. This one's a little bit more purpley, but the iPhone 5 color looks really similar. So yeah. And I really like the jiggly texture, and it's pretty stretchy. There's not really a crunch, but whatever.
Hey, cool.